Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at the 2016 Kia Forte LX. This is a 5-passenger 4-door sedan in Aurora Black. Under the hood you'll find a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder driving on 16-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your fog lights, sleek black body, and that trunk release button which allows for easy access. But now why don't we hop inside this Kia and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our trunk release button, which we'll get to in just a moment. Press the unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. On the bottom you do have some nice storage space. Above it are your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Next to the door you have your lighting options, eco drive mode, and your traction control button. Equipped with black cloth seating, and on the bottom you have your manual seating adjustment handles. But now let's hop inside. We're going to start this Kia up. Just press this button on the key fob and that key pops out like that. We're going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel. Here you'll find your controls to navigate through your little entertainment display right in the center there. You also have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. On the right you have your cruise control settings. And if we look up here, this Kia does have 112,057 kilometers on it. But now we're going to move onto our screen here. Right now we're on radio. You have your standard AM and FM options, of course. If we go ahead and press phone, you can connect
Bluetooth on from your device in order to search.
Connect your phone through Bluetooth. Moving down is your climate control system. Nice and simple. You got these nice, thick, sturdy turning dials. Underneath here you have some storage, or you can pop that open and that'll give you access to your USB auxiliary, and you have two 12-volt outlets on the left and right. Next to the shifter you have your driver and passenger heated seats, and behind the shifter you have your two cup holders. Center console, nice and simple. You got this nice little shelf up top as well. And lastly is the glove box. I'm going to press that button, that'll pop down. Lots of room in here as well, but now we're just going to close that right up. So before we take a look at cargo, let's just take a quick look in the back. On the bottom you have some storage space just like the driver's side, and we are continuing with that black cloth seating as well. So to open up, all you got to do is hold this third button on the key fob and that trunk will open nice and easy. Taking a look inside, there's plenty of cargo space in this sedan. It does tuck a little into the left and right, allowing for more space. And underneath here, if we just lift this up, you do have your spare tire and all the tools to change that in case that ever goes. So to close up, just give it a gentle push. Taking a last look at our 2016 Kia Forte LX. Once again, some of those great interior features include your heated seats, Bluetooth audio, and hands-free calling. There's a whole lot more I still didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.